In this video, I'll walk you through how to enable desktop notifications for Gmail. First, open your browser and go to your Gmail account. Make sure you're signed in. Now, look at the top right corner of the Gmail window. You'll see a gear icon. This is the Settings button. Click on that. Once you click the gear icon, a panel will open on the right side of the screen. In that panel, click on the button that says See All Settings. This will take you to the full settings page. Now you should be in the General tab of the settings. Scroll down the page until you find the section called Desktop Notifications. This is where you can choose how you want Gmail to notify you on your computer. There are 3 options here. The first option says New Mail Notifications On. If you select this, Gmail will notify you whenever a new message arrives in your inbox or your primary tab. This is the best option if you want to stay updated on all incoming mail. The second option says Important Mail Notifications On. If you choose this one, Gmail will only notify you about emails that it marks as important. Gmail decides what's important based on your past actions, like which emails you open and reply to. This is useful if you get a lot of mail and only want to be notified about messages that matter most. The third option is Mail Notifications Off. Select this if you don't want to receive any desktop notifications at all. Below these options, you'll also see a setting for notification sounds. You can choose which sound plays when a notification appears, or you can set it to None if you prefer silence. You can click the play icon to preview the sound before making your choice. Once you've made your selections, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click the Save Changes button. If you don't click Save, your settings will not be updated. After you've saved your changes, you can test it by sending yourself an email. If everything is set up correctly, you'll see a small pop-up on your desktop when the new message arrives. Keep in mind, for desktop notifications to work, you also need to allow Gmail to show notifications in your browser. If you haven't allowed that before, a small prompt might appear near the address bar asking for permission. Click Allow to enable it. If you don't see that prompt, you can check your browser's settings manually to make sure notifications are enabled for Gmail. That's it. You've now set up Gmail desktop notifications. Thanks for watching.